Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the very latest information on a couple of rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms that we could experience across the ArkLaTex. The first of those rounds will arrive Friday afternoon and Friday evening. You can see the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center does show the slight risk in areas of yellow, meaning any severe weather will be somewhat scattered. You can see the expanse of this risk, which does go all the way up into the upper Midwest. I do feel that probably we'll see more widespread issues with especially tornadoes in areas to our north, as I'll get to here in a second. Meantime, here's a look at Robin's Story to Futurecast as we show you the next couple of days leading up to this first round of storms. You can see tonight any rain that we have across the area today will end, as we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and some sunshine, especially in the afternoon. It will be rather breezy, as we'll see the south wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Nothing really too much to worry about as far as rain tomorrow. We will stay dry for most of us tomorrow night. Futurecast does show a few scattered showers early Friday morning. One thing we'll be watching is this band of thunderstorms off to our north and west, which will develop tomorrow well to the west of this, and it will be weakening as it moves in. However, we will see new development begin to take shape here Friday afternoon. You can see these thunderstorms. Again, this is the activity left over from overnight in East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. Small chance that could provide some severe weather issues. The bigger concern will be these storms, which will pose a wind and hail risk. And there's also a possibility maybe for a tornado or two, and you can see those storms will quickly diminish Friday evening. As far as, again, the details on possible tornadoes, this is basically a loop from mid-Friday afternoon through the evening, and you can see we'll have to watch the northern edge of the ArkLaTex near Interstate 30 and points to the north. Let me zoom this out, and you'll see what I'm talking about earlier as far as that tornado threat. You can see these swaths much more numerous across the Midwest. Can't totally rule out the isolated tornado here, but the rest definitely looking higher to our north in central Arkansas on up through Missouri and Iowa. So that's something we'll be watching for as we go through Friday afternoon. Now we'll take a break from the showers and thunderstorms late Friday night and Saturday. A longer range version of Futurecast shows maybe a little bit of sunshine Saturday afternoon with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. It will be very windy, and unfortunately this run doesn't go far enough to see Sunday storms. As we take you into Sunday morning, you can see the relatively dry conditions continuing, and that's as far out as Futurecast goes. However, Sunday afternoon we'll see another band of thunderstorms develop. You can see the risk outlook from the Storm Prediction Center does show the slight risk for most of the ArkLaTex, as our main time frame will be probably Sunday evening and Sunday night. That's the time frame when the storms will be most widespread. Now the upper level disturbance with the second disturbance is going to basically take a path very similar to what this first one will be taking on Friday. So it does appear, if that actually verifies, that once again Sunday the highest tornado risk could be to our north. But again, even here, all severe weather threats would be possible Sunday evening and Sunday night. Another concern is going to be the potential for heavy rain. The numbers from the blend of models really haven't changed that much from what I showed you yesterday. Pretty much all of the area will get at least 2 inches, and most of the area will see anywhere from 2 to almost 4 inches of rain. Some models do indicate that a few swaths of 5 to maybe even 6 inches will be possible. Those should be relatively isolated, but I would expect to see 2 to 4 inches of rain pretty much anywhere across the ArkLaTex. Right now, the amounts closer to 4 inches will be across the northern sections of the area. So your forecast for tonight looks like this. We will see what little rain we have across the region end. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, 64 in Shreveport, 61 degrees in Texarkana. Tomorrow looks to be a dry day, a warm and humid day, as we'll see a high in Shreveport at 85, 81 in Texarkana, 82 degrees in Marshall. And your 10-day forecast shows, again, that threat for the thunderstorms, highest north Friday afternoon into the evening. Should be dry Saturday. Late day thunderstorms Sunday. Sunday night could linger into Monday, Given the timing of Monday's storms, severe weather risk looking rather low at this point, and then the rain risk will gradually diminish as we go into the middle of the week. We stay warm with highs staying in the 80s, lows in the 60s and low 70s. We should dry out late next week, and notice we crank up the heat a bit. Temperatures by next weekend could be back up close to 90 degrees. So again, it does look like 2 rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms possible. The first for some, the northern part of the area Friday evening. The second for all of the ArkLaTex as we look ahead to Sunday evening and Sunday night.